Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to open ended sales reference in Google Sheets. Why would you want to know how to open ended sales reference in Google Sheets? Well, maybe you are new to Google Sheets. So today I am going to show you how to open ended sales reference in Google Sheets. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Okay, we have this table. We want to sum these values here. So press equal, then sum. Okay, let's change our range like this and Control Shift down to highlight all the table. Now we have the value. If we add a new number here like this, it will not be count or summed with the rest. So we can solve it with open end cell reference. Okay, delete it. Let's go to this F151. Okay, we will open it, but this F112 we will not open it because we want to start here. Okay, let's clear, make it just F. Now we open end cell reference. Let's add number. It's added and again. You can add unlimited number. It will be added like this. That easy, guys. Because we make F without a number, it just open-ended cell reference. That easy. There you go. If you want to know how to open-ended sales reference in Google Sheets, that's the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to do it, leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.